Yes, so we know that moto boots have been rugged. It's classically rugged, but of course Franco Sarto has redesigned this in a way that it's much more tapered and definitely elevated, so it's much more versatile. It's no longer just casual, but you do have a choice to wear it, dress it down, or wear it up, for example. So what we see here is more of a tailored look. Look at the toe box right there. It's rounded, but of course it tapers. But look at these gorgeous adornments. Like there's one across the vamp, this beautiful buckle, and it's finished off in the back of the ankle. But also what I wanted to mention is the luxury leather and suede that is used on PRINA. You could see all the details. It's overlapping, the beautiful stitch details. You can tell that there is inherent Italian craftsmanship on this. But of course, while we give you beautiful design, it's truly comfortable, Jane. We're looking at a 1-inch block heel. It's flexible, it's rubberized, and it's lightweight. So overall, you're looking at extreme comfort day into evening.
Sorry to interrupt, but Jackie is dancing. I think I might be a Charleston.
She gives the stamp of approval here. I think there was a little bit of
Charleston going on the dance floor.
I love it.
I love it. Come on, Jackie, give us that move again. Come on. She was dancing, baby. We're back on the dance floor at the wedding, girl. I also love the shaft height and the shaft opening. Because we sell a lot of ankle boots and we sell a lot of like up to the knee boots. This is not quite the height of what we would say mid-shaft, but I really wouldn't call it an ankle. So when you look at the height of the shaft, it's 5.6 inches, a little over 5.5. That means it's coming up a little higher on the leg. We have a little saying in my house, sometimes things fell out of the sleigh. So if you wanted designer boots for Christmas or Hanukkah, and somehow it just didn't get there, this is Franco Sarto at his best. And what better way to ring in the new year to say, I'm treating myself, or I'm treating someone I love to luxury and comfort, and maybe the coolest boot you guys have ever brought.
Yes, yes. And also what I wanted to mention is because we are an Italian brand, we're very proud of it. There's a little bit of an inherent Italian flag stitch right there on the ends.
I mean, I know it's not, but I somehow feel my grandfather is in this boot. Let me take you through the colors, and guess what is the most popular? Black distressed. I will not be surprised if everyone walking around the building is in black distress. We also have it in tobacco brown. And thank you for bringing cookies to our cookie and cocktail party.
It's my pleasure.
There's the all black. And then we also have it in our Tuscan taupe, medium with 4 stars at QVC.com. Congratulations and Happy New Year, my love.
Yep, I'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you, love.